Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Just had a knock on my door and there was a courier which I was not expecting, and he had a package for me obviously, and it's from the one and only Alex Who. So Alex Who is an awesome member of our Locksports community. Alex is always on YouTube. Alex does not make YouTube videos, but always commenting, always supporting, always helping, always on Discord and other social media platforms. Yes, very, very great Locksporter and very, very genuine and generous. I actually received some master locks a while ago and I fudged up the opening video because we were moving house at the time, and Alex sent me a box of master locks. So they were all 410 lottos with the 400B keyway. So I think you've seen me pick one of these orange ones with the crazy bitting, which I think Dark Arts did a video on it recently as well. So it's the ones with this sort of bitting like that, so a bit crazy bitting. So nice pick there, Alex, of the bitting on the keys. Awesome. So yeah, Alex sent me three of them and four of the blue ones, which are ex-service ones. Now I've given a couple away. I've given an orange one and a blue one to Pocket Woman, because I know she loves her lotto, so just spreading the love around there a little bit. But yes, thank you, Alex, for that as well. That was awesome. So this one here, I have a pretty good idea what it is because I got a message about it. So just gonna do a quick opening, and yeah, I didn't expect it to come so quick after our little chat. So yeah, I really appreciate that, Alex. You had a courier come and deliver it after all that trouble with office work, so I really appreciate that. And look at that, a Kwikset SmartKey. That is awesome. So out of the goodness of Alex's heart, he sent me a brand new installation kit. That is awesome. Just like I said, an awesome community member. Always pays it forward. You know, I haven't been working. Well, I have a job now, but I wasn't working previously, and I couldn't afford to send out packages or anything like that. Yeah, I could afford to buy a few locks for myself, and that was about it. But now that I'm working, I can get packages off to people like Alex and Down Under Monkey and all other people that have sent me packages. So yeah, anyway, jibber jabbering. I'm just going to unpack this and give you guys a look-see. This is not a picking video, this is just an opening video. That's the installation kit there. Some bits down here. Okay, that's the latch. And the main bits, let's go through it first. So this is #1 selling US lock brand. I don't know if that's scary or not. No, just joking. Superior quality, bump proof, pick resistant. I love when manufacturers put pick resistant on there. Not pick proof, pick resistant. So yeah, rekey technology. This is the SmartKey, ANSI grade 2. It's a BHMA certified. Not sure if that's an American thing or not. Lifetime warranty. That's pretty good. So this is a double cylinder Deadbolt. This is the Deadbolt variety. Reasons to rekey. Loaned or unreturned keys. Been there. Recently moved to tenant turnover. Yeah, I've done that. Your child has lost their key again. Yet to experience that one, but that's awesome. So on the back we got bit of information about Kwikset. I've been around since 1946 and millions of families have relied on Kwikset. Oh, that's scary. No, just joking. We'll never forget about more than just producing a high quality and secure lock. It's about people it's meant to protect. So yes, it will keep out the honest ones, like with every other lock. So it's got this SmartKey, so it's bump proof and superior pick resistance. Rekey the lock yourself, secure your home in seconds. Advanced protection from kick attacks. Oh, that's because of the Deadbolt. So yeah, kick-in resistant, saw resistant. I don't know how you could hacksaw the Deadbolt or the face of it really. But yeah, it's cool how they got that on there. And drill resistance, so must have some drill resistance features in there. Fits all standard doors, one tool installation. So I probably can't do it. Rekey like yourself, blah blah, save cost, blah blah. Okay, pretty cool. Love it, love it, love it. So let's get to the nitty gritty part of it. Let's have a look at this. I'm not going to unpack this today. Well, I just did. But there is your keys. It comes with the pre-cut key. And there is your bitting. If you can see that. So not bad bitting for a Kwikset. That's quite good actually. I like that there. Little gatekeeper there for that last pin, I think maybe. This might be a 5-pinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5-pinner. Okay. So it's basically just got highs, 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 and the low down the back. Cool. All right. So what else have we got in here? Yeah, I am going to do like a little build on this maybe. Wow, it's got some solid screws in there and bolts. I tell you what. Yeah, this might be kick resistant. So let's get this open. And this is the internal side obviously, because it's got where the bolts go in. And there is the back. So yeah, it's got a nice escutcheon, very nice. I like the presentation of this, and it's quite heavy as well. I'm not sure if it's stainless, doesn't feel as heavy as stainless, but it'd have a similar composition because it's quite weighty. And this is the exterior side. So very, very similar. It's got the advertisement for the people out the front for Kwikset. And yes, they've both got the same core obviously. And that's the rekeying function there, that little tab in there on the left, I think. And yes, these go together like so. So this will be the front part of your door, and this will be the rear part of your door. The 2 bolts going through there to attach it through there and there. And in between that would sit this guy. I always forget what they're called. But yeah, this is a Deadbolt one there. Deadbolt there. Look at that, works smoothly. Wow, that's easy operation. And it's got a little thing that lifts up there. I wonder if that engages with anything. But yeah, look at that. That's a beefy, beefy, beefy one. Where's that latch thing again? Yeah, so you can see how far that will go into your door frame. So yeah, that would be you'd probably hurt your ankle or foot or break some bones in your feet if you try to keep that in. If you've got some long screws in there, I mean, look at the size of the screws you can put in there. So you could really mount that, and it's got one down the back as well for extra protection. Wow, that's really cool. Thank you, Alex. That's very, very nice of you, mate. You're a bloody legend. So it's held on by a clip there, by a circlip, and then the core would be removed. I'm not going to do that in this video. I am going to try to do a mini build and a pick video out of this at a later date. So yes, that'll be it from me. Thank you very much, Alex Hu. Yes, I can't speak highly enough about Alex Hu. Very, very generous person, very genuine person, and as you can see, yes, just this is a great product here. I think actually might be. Look at the size and thickness of those bolts and the screws for the latch. Look how long they are. They're like 10 centimeters long, which is like what, 3 inches or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, guys, that'll be it from me. Please like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for Alex Hu. Great person. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Take care.